Yeah, like I saw that old video of us making brownies. I'm like,
oh my God, you was so
that was
good,
me.
yo. You was so good, yo. Here you go.
Oh, that was me.
Thank you.
I have big hands, bro. I knew what I was doing though.
You was so good, yo.
I thought it would be cute when she used to do her little ballet and all those different outfits.
But you know what? She did that ballet for a while, and honey, she was just like, I'm over it. I don't want to do it anymore.
Piano lessons too, very abruptly.
At least I was doing
All
something.
them times I drove way out there to pipe
Oh man.
Pop stickers. Now this is the same version that I have. Anyway.
My piano teacher's probably worried about me.
Yeah,
But no joke, I stopped going after a while.
Like, you were doing really good. She just always, oh yes, Lauren is just one of the better students. She's
Surprised she said that.
really well.
I want to taste that.
I stopped dance because I knew when I was getting older, I was gonna be really busy.
Oh no, this is like a sesame oil based one. This is not like the one. This is not like the one. Let me shake it up.
Maybe it's more for cooking.
It says dipping sauce.
Yeah, but so that don't mean just because they say it, don't mean that's what it is.
Well, honey, that's showing up the case in this situation.
Yo, oh my gosh.
I'm gonna put a little bit in here. It's got y'all, we just doing an impromptu mukbang. Hey, it's your girl Tonya, Lady T. I made a pit stop over here at Mama's house. We're eating a spicy California roll. Crunchy roll. And this is a spicy California roll.
I think my mom had that before.
And then the crunchy roll. Nobody wants any.
I want to taste that crunch.
Oh, do you? Okay.
I'm gonna
I
make
do.
some.
You want to taste? Okay, so we're gonna do like a. This is gonna be like a taste test for everybody.
Let me go put a scarf on top of my bonnet. I gotta let my hair continue.
This is not like the kind that I get, y'all. It's not. It's just not. All right. I don't know how to use these chopsticks well. Do you know how to use chopsticks, Lauren?
Nope.
You want to try which one?
Crunchy one.
Okay. Lauren wants to try the crunchy
Y'all want
one.
some salty apples?
Salty.
You might want to get me a
They're good with salt.
Now the key to this, Lauren, is
Here you go. Bring out the dishes.
Can I touch your stuff, Lauren?
What's
Do y'all need a fork?
Yeah, because I'm not going to be able to see. Somebody bought me chopsticks for dummies. I just can't do it. I don't know how to do it. I have to use my chopsticks for dummies. Now, you want to dip your... That's grandma's. I don't need them. Yeah, just give me a fork so I can... Okay, now Lauren, you want to dip yours in the soy sauce?
Nope.
Or you want to eat yours plain?
It already has sauce on it.
Well, it does, but it doesn't have... It's not a soy sauce. You like it? I actually did you want some. I would have bought you your own. You want to try another one? You want to try that one?
I don't like that one.
You already know what that one tastes like. So your mom's already introduced you to this. Okay. Well, cool. So now I know me and you can do a mukbang together in the future.
Mukbang.
Mukbang, excuse me. And we can do a sushi roll together. The crunchy roll together.
Are you gonna go live on Christmas or something?
I don't think so. I don't know. Probably not. Yeah. I don't know what that is. I guess because it's got that sesame oil. I like sesame seeds, but I'm not really fond of sesame oil. I'm just really not.
Grandma,
Mhm.
you know, remember when I said I wanted to sing for you?
Oh yeah, you still have your nerve to sing for me?
No, I'm good now. I'm gonna do it on Christmas. But me and Mama are gonna sing it with me.
Oh, so you got your cousins to get in on the deal.
Yes. They don't know is that I want you to record it. They're gonna be like, nope.
You want me to record it, don't you?
I do.
That's good.
I don't want you to know what it is yet.
Is this a surprise?
Like part of a Christmas present.
Oh, okay. Where did she do sprinkle salt on it? Yeah, this spicy roll, this crunchy roll is the business. Love
I
it.
want to sing Ocean Eyes for you, but we're doing a video.
You want me to do what now?
I wanted to sing Ocean Eyes for you, but I didn't know you were going to do a video.
You can still sing it. This video ain't going to be no more than about 20 minutes long.
I got on Man last night about saying how, it was this morning, I got on him about how deep his voice would get. Then he tried to do a high pitched voice. He started keeping this voice. He doesn't
He has not answered my text yet. I'm going to get him. I sent him a text 3 days ago.
It's because his phone.
And he always calls me and I answer.
It's because his phone was off.
Oh.
Why should pour salt on this?
I don't know, but that's the way Daddy used to eat it. He used to eat apples with salt on it. So she must have had a quick flashback. Y'all, I'm off today. I'm just doing some running around. Went to go pick up my contacts. They were closed. So you know I got irritated behind that. Thank you, most gracious and Heavenly Father, for this food that we have been enjoying and receiving for the nourishment of our body, for Christ's sake. Amen. We can also do a munch pack.
It's 1:30.
Kareem!
It's gonna be like 2 then.
Kareem, speak to me. You ain't gonna let me see you?
You don't want to. You got skivvies.
Oh, he ain't dressed.
Okay.
Sorry, y'all, if this is messing up y'all experience.
What happened? This is mine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Did you want to try it with soy sauce?
Yeah.
We didn't know you had dipped sprinkled the apples with salt.
Y'all didn't like them? Loved them. That's what I said. Did y'all want
You gonna
something
put it?
else?
You gonna let everybody see your reaction?
Yeah, where is it?
Come over
The
here.
camera.
The camera.
I mean, where do I have to come where?
Just,
Behind?
Just
yeah,
eat
just
it.
stand behind Lauren.
I have to go around the other way. Yes, so yes.
Oh, she's from Africa. Oh, for Africa. Mother, mother from Africa.
Hip y'all. Where's the stuff that I need to dip it with?
Oh, that's about to drop.
Oh, you know
Dip
what?
it in there.
No, I don't like all that salty stuff. I don't even like soy sauce unless I'm cooking with it. You know me. Let's see.
She's my mama, so we can double dip.
Not bad, pretty good.
Shit.
And I
Why
think
you
with
busting it up like it's a piece of meat or something? You gotta eat the whole thing.
Y'all gonna kill me.
all at one time?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can tell I don't eat sushi.
Yeah, you have to eat the whole thing. You don't want to dip it no more? Lauren's
Sorry.
gonna lose her tongue because she's laughing.
This is comedy to her.
It is.
Cause she knows how it's supposed to be eaten.
Grandma Chronicles up in here.
Yeah, this part of her grandma chronicle. Not bad. It's not something I'd rush out there.
I love it. Yeah, it's been a
I
while.
feel like I could make my own.
This is like crinkle onions.
I
The
taste-
onions, dried onions,
What's in between?
avocado, cucumbers,
Crab meat.
crab meat.
Onion. Flakes. Those.
I
I'm
have
gonna make one. I miss it's just rice.
it's sticky
and-
rice and then
Yeah.
that seaweed paper.
I'm gonna have to try that. Now, what kind is that one?
Regular California roll. You want to try it?
Yeah.
That's got crab meat,
Just a
avocado.
little tiny bit of
cucumber.
that sauce.
It's the same thing except for this one. They put the crunchy.
Let's see.
And it's got like a spicy yum yum sauce on it. I need to call up that car place and make sure that's gonna do clean my car
Now
out.
this one does need a little sauce.
Yeah.
A little bit.
It's nothing but the Kikkoman soy sauce.
It's salty though.
Yeah. I should have got the reduced sodium.
A little salty apple to clean my palate.
Y'all know me, I have to have my onion.
That's good, y'all. When you eat strong food like this, a piece of fruit will clean your palate. This is pretty good.
Yeah, it really is.
I could eat sushi. I've had it before, and when I had it, it was just like the real sushi where you didn't make it, you know. I'm trying to know what big. What were we in not New Orleans.
That onion powder.
We were in. Well, we down in South Carolina somewhere at one of those big restaurants, and they had the big ones. And you bought this plate. They bring this huge plate of nothing but sushi, and they had the big pieces of it. And whoops!
Oh!
We killing Lauren.
That onion powder on it, though.
Y'all killing me.
That's pretty good.
You don't want to try one of them with the onion powder on it?
With
You
the
want
onion.
another piece of that crunchy one, don't you?
Yeah, the crunchy one. I like that crunchy. I sampled that in Sam's Club, and they were the one. Have you tried the ones in Sam's Club? Because their crunchy stuff is real crunchy and has a little sweet taste. And
You want some more of this crunchiness on it?
yeah.
And what it is, I asked the lady that makes them, because that woman there in that area, she just stands there and makes this stuff all day, because people from the hospital come over there.
You know what that is? Nothing but those dried onions.
It's dried onion. That's why I asked her, what is it?
Nothing but dried onions. I can look at it right away and see dried onion. And
Well, I know the next
that's
time
a
when I
good-
come over here to eat, I'll just grab 2 crunchy and 2 California, and we can all eat. Or 3 or however.
Not bad. I was looking at the Housewives. I started looking at them again. of Atlanta. I just want to see how they progressed.
Have they?
They haven't. They haven't. They still got the same old foolishness.
Oh yeah.
But you know, it's entertainment when you want to be entertained by foolishness.
Oh,
And they're also scripting a lot more stuff.
I had to start watching all that.
You can tell by those little.
But they progressed a little bit.
Mm-hmm. They got Eva on there. I love her. She's a beautiful girl.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot about that. She's beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
I think I started watching it that season. She's joined. Cause the reason why I stopped, to just be honest, because remember I got all that stuff cut off on my TV.
Mm-hmm.
I thought I'm not paying $241. Are you kidding me? And you get sucked in watching it, and some of that stuff is interesting just to see the dynamic of how folks act.
But now they're scripted. I can tell some of it's scripted, which is wonderful because a lot of that foolishness that they were doing, I'm like, look, keep your dirty laundry at home.
Oh, that's good cold water. But yeah, folks is out shopping, honey. Cause today is Friday, then Saturday, and probably Sunday.
Was that tearing your ears
Because
up?
Sunday,
I'm sorry.
they're probably gonna shut everything down at 6. But you know what? Christmas Eve is on Monday.
It's not till Monday, honey. They got these folks got a lot. Don't be giving these folks
Christmas
false
Eve is
hope
Sunday.
about being off work. They got to work through Monday, too.
That's true.
Oh no.
I'm thinking this weekend is the last weekend for shopping, but really it's not. They got Sunday and Monday.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no.
So, are you done? Me either. I got one more thing.
I got-
in the mail.
I got 2 things to get, and it's really Lauren. Lauren,
It's really you.
you're the one.
You're the one.
You're still the one who makes me still the one. I forgot the word. We're still having fun, and you're still the one. See, when they don't know songs, they can't relate.
Mm-mm. Have you wrapped anything?
Because I ain't got no wrapping paper.
Do you know Busta Rhymes?
Mm-hmm.
She likes him to do that. I said she said that man do the fast rap. I said Busta Rhymes, the one and only.
Sticking and moving and sticking and moving and grooving and grooving and sticking and moving. Up and down, up and down, up and down.
She
What are you
tried.
staring at?
Tried. That's what Kareem was working on this morning.
I wish I could rap. I really do. Just for the sake of rapping, you know.
You probably could if you got the
I gotta focus on it.
Whatever it is, whatever the technique, you just have to learn what the technique.
Maybe one day, maybe that'll be coming in 2019. Me and Kareem will go head to head. We'll look at each other. We'll do a screen. His face here, my face here, and we just going to do the freestyling. We'll keep it clean.
There's a tutorial on Kareem uses it.
On how to freestyle rap?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I didn't know it was
Yes,
I didn't
ma'am.
know it was a class.
Yes, ma'am.
You say yes.
Oh,
sir.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
They go through all. In fact, it's a word I love. When you're learning to rap and to sing and all that kind of stuff, it's called. You learn that iambic pentameter. It's a measure and a beat in a song and the way you that. Oh yeah. In fact, I was helping them with that because I remember iambic pentameter because it's poetry. It's a poetic.
It's
process.
poetic
Yes,
and
ma'am.
wording.
If I could sing, I'd be. Because I understand iambic pentameter. I just can't sing. So we were going through that. It's like
Pick a word.
Okay, I'll tell you a very simple one. Okay, you know the little exercise, seashell, down by the seashore? If you can go through those, Peter Piper, it helps you to, in the tongue rolling. See, people that can roll the tongue, you can do those little exercises. That's what the rappers do. They sit in front of the mirror and go through them over and over.
Oh,
and
yeah,
over
you
and
go
over
through
and
your
over.
vocals.
Yeah, just like you do for
I've been
vocals.
lit.
You do it for rapping. Yeah, the women I went here. I knew about it, but I didn't realize that's what rappers do. I understand it from a poetic, because when I had to take that class, Dr.
Who was that?
That's the door that's not closed. Dr. Worthington taught us all of that stuff in English literature. So I know that I have the pentameter measure. But yeah, those are the exercises you go through when you learning how to rap. And some people have it natural, like Busta Rhymes and that other little, what's the little boy that was rapped so bad about his mom?
Oh, Kanye.
Not Kanye, but the other one. The little white boy.
Eminem?
Eminem, like him, he that's a natural talent that they have.
Oh yeah, see that's a natural.
And Busta Rhymes, see that's
natural.
So those are the ones that they use as examples when they're going through and trying to, and then there are several other rappers out there that has a knack for doing that, or people that can roll their tongue. If you could learn a foreign language, like you could learn the Spanish language easily if you focus on what they're doing and rolling their tongue. It's just a technique.
Lauren, are you interested in learning how to rap just for a...
No.
She said no.
If I say a word...
I like singing.
Oh, I know you like me and we like to sing, but what I'm saying is, if I say bird, what's a word that you feel like you can... What's the first thing that comes in your mind when I say bird?
Flying.
But like rhyming though.
To rhyme, yeah.
Heard?
A bird.
But you have to that's
right. But let me see.
You learn it, and then you learn.
I heard a bird that looked like a nerd.
Okay.
I know it sounds absurd.
Mm-hmm.
But see what I'm saying?
And it has to make sense.
It has to make sense.
Yeah.
Bars.
See, I'm thinking about it. I'm overanalyzing it, so now I can't let it flow.
And some people just can.
Some people just have a knack.
If you can.
They have a hat, which encompasses a hat. They don't take no slack because I'm black. No. Yeah, I mean, yeah.
What? I can't go with anything.
You remember we were doing that little thing?
Yeah, when Tansy was talking about with it, and I said something about. I made up a word for prillet.
Yeah. They're just like trying to play Scrabble, making up words. Yeah, that is a word. No, it's not.
Anyway, y'all just came on real quick to do this quick little mukbang. Is that right, Lauren?
Mukbang.
Mukbang. See, she'll keep me straight. And I got to go get my car done because it just looks bad. Oh,
that reminds me, where is my phone? I need to call that man.
I need to call and make sure it's open.
Call and ask him.
And then, what else I need to do? I'm on girlfriend duty tonight. Rick's back is bothering him, so nursing him. And what else do I have to do, Lori? What else do I have to do?
You got on the heating pad. Get on that heat, put that heating pad on, about 30 minutes intervals. I
think that's what he's doing today.
Yeah, couple 30-minute intervals to relax those muscles. I gotta find me another good heating pad.
Yeah.
Those are
probably Walmart or Bed Bath Beyond.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to look because a good one that's not. I don't want no one gonna last about a year. Now that one because it was water heat, it was wet heat, but it didn't last. I think I messed that up because I left it because you have to boil it water and put it in there for it to to do what it needs to do. And I think the water was too hot. Lauren, hand me that bowl of salted apples, please. Thank you.
What about so where you got to go?
I'm gonna go to the base. I'll take something back out there. No,
Who you going out there for?
I gotta take something back to the. Y'all want to let's help her to tell her together and see if she will get it. I have to take something back to the base.
And what else?
Otherwise, I wouldn't go on that base. You don't go out there if I don't have to. And I got 2 things I need to buy. And that's it. I want to run a name Bryant.
I hadn't been there in a while.
I should have gone on the other day, but I had bought ice cream, so I had to come on home.
Huh?
I said I was going to go to Main Brown, but I had bought some ice cream, so I had to come on home.
Oh,
When I thought about it, I've been to the store twice to buy some dishwashing detergent.
So I got plenty of that.
I'm going to buy 2 of them this time. You need dishwashing detergent?
I'm going to leave this over here because, I mean, I got all this stuff at the house, so. And then you say you were out.
Yeah. I was going to buy a turkey.
I don't know if you want this. It's okay, but it's.
You can probably cook with
You can cook. Excuse me. You can cook with that when you like doing your stir fry. It would be perfect because a little bit of sesame oil. You shake it up. Shake it up. A little bit of sesame oil when you're cooking stir fry stuff. It tastes okay, but I just something about I can do the seeds, but the sesame oil I can't do too much of that. It makes me feel like I'm gonna start crying. You see what I'm saying?
I like sesame, but
I don't know what to do. All right, y'all, we about to go. I guess we'll do Sunday dinner. It's Sunday. Or we're gonna be out and about. Anyway, y'all stay tuned.
We'll play it by ear. See what happens if we done with rapping.
Yeah, because we got to really get, we're at the end, the home stretch, and you on Friday, or on Saturday, Sunday, you think about, okay, let's see what else. You start thinking, and then you sit back and say, man, I should have got so and so that. Then you'll go back out. So it'd be one of those things where you go in and out. You might be in and out. Oh man, I done ran out of tape. So you just never know. I'm actually thinking about.
I need to find some boxes, those shirt boxes, because I got some scarves I need to wrap.
Honey, bags, honey. Dollar Tree bags, honey.
Well, why did I buy that big old roll of paper?
Because the children's stuff have to be wrapped. They're not gonna They ain't having that.
Where did I put my paper?
But anyway, y'all, I done said about 3 times, ain't I? Anyway,
yeah,
y'all.
Don't ever tell me it take me a long time to say
But
bye.
we be talking about stuff.
It's just hard to say goodbye to yesterday. You know that was the right tune. Don't play with me.
Anyway, y'all, thank you for stopping on the flavor train because what? Flavor is where it's at. Lauren, you supposed to jump in. Why don't you ever jump in and say
She
it?
wasn't paying attention.
Don't pay attention.